Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I come up with a topic, one step towards green and clean energy. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and let's start the video. One step towards green energy and clean energy. Introduction. Earth is the opt of varied number of species of plants, animals, etc. With a wide diversity, it is the only planet known to us which supports and sustains life. This is only due to nature and its anonymous gift, but we the mankind underestimate it and pollute it and add a burden of debt to ourselves. So, to continue our run in this life, we must conserve and work to protect our environment. Pollution. An evil in environment. You must be wondering why there are so many parks in our society. The reason is that our cities are polluted and we need places where we can breathe in fresh air. Villages and hamlets don't need them because their environment is already pure. It is because we, the educated class of society, are responsible for most of the energy wasted and pollution. What is pollution? Pollution means various problems which degrade our environment. The problems related to pollution are: P stand for pollution by greenhouse gases, O stand for ozone depletion, L stand for littering of environment, and second L stand for lack of awareness, U stand for unsuitable and unhygienic environment, T stand for toxication of environment, I stand for improper health due to respiratory diseases, O stand for oxygen content gets diminished, and stand for nature degradation. Tackling pollution. Pollution is responsible for environmental degradation and thus causes unhygienic condition in our environment. If this increases, then the chances of our survival decreases. To fight against this, clean and green energy is the best remedy. Green energy derived from biofuels is of great use as they don't pollute the environment and leave no residues. The government should take steps to raise awareness about environment degradation. Green energy. Green energy or renewable sources of energy is the most heavily sought remedy to tackle pollution. These sources of energy are infinite in quantity and don't pollute the environment. These sources of energy include hydroelectricity, wind energy. Guys, we are the main sources that are polluting to the area and where we are living. Here I have come up with the four simple and easy steps so that we can follow that steps and like save our energies, and we can just go with a green and clean energy. So let us go for the four simple easy steps. Step 1. You must be knowing that paper is obtained from cellulose, which is obtained from trees. You alone are the roots for the falling of nearly 50 to 60 trees per year. So always use two sides of the paper and do not waste them. Trees are the natural filter of air. If tree will not be there, then how can we breathe? Step number 2. Clean and green road habit ensure minimum pollution and keep the environment fresh. We should always drive our vehicle at a moderate speed of 40 km per hour and should turn off our engine at signal post. This would reduce the air pollution by nearly 20%. Step number 3. Each one plant one. If everyone in our country plant at least one tree, then we can add a massive 1.2 billion of trees. This would reduce the amount of pollution by nearly 50%. But as Mahatma Gandhi says, we must bring a change in ourselves to see the surrounding change. Step number 4. This is the most important step. You should never allow litter to build up around you. Always keep your homes, offices, schools, etc. clean, which will help you in staying clean. Thank you friends. I hope you like my video and content. If you like my video, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel, so that every day you will know new things and related GK knowledge and extra etc. And if you want, like, if any query and anything you want, then comment me in this video, so I will help you with that. I'll try to help you. So thank you friends, have a good day.